Welcome back everyone, and in this next video I'll be doing for you my Trini HomeStyle Bhagi Rice. Let's go over to the pot that's hotting right now and get started. Okay, so we have our pot and it's hotting, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of all veg cooking margarine. I'm just going to allow the margarine to melt into the oil. 1 small onion or 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of grated garlic. Now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of shonobeni, 2 tablespoons of pimento peppers, a half cup of boiled saltfish. So in this recipe I would have just squeezed a lime into the saltfish just to take out the fresh scent and give it a little added flavor. 1 cup of pumpkin, half cup of chopped carrots, and 1 cup of finely chopped truffles. Vegetables they have a way of, blending in with the oil nicely. So there's no need to put a lot of oil. Alright, so I'm just going to cover the pot and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes, and if you can see well, you see how the vegetables already begin to fuse with the saltfish. Alright, so now I'm going to add my bhagi. I have a lovely bowl of bhagi here. Add your bhagi to your liking. That smells delicious. Oh yes. Now I'm going to add my rice. It's parboiled rice, already washed. I have here 2 1/4 cups of rice. Here 3 cups of coconut milk. I'm going to add 2 cups of water. So I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to make sure that the fire is on a low heat, and I'll be back in 5 minutes to check on it. Alright, this smells delicious. So I would have left my bhagi and rice to boil down for about 5 minutes. And now I'm gonna add a little taste boosters to the pot. A quarter teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of dried basil leaves, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley leaves, half a teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Alright, and you can add salt to taste. So my rice looks like it's just about cooked. So from here on, I am going to leave my pot uncovered until it's done. The bhagi rice is just ready and perfect. And here you have it, people. Trini HomeStyle Bhagi Rice. If you try this recipe and you enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, subscribe. See you soon. Thanks for watching.